Okay, so let's look at question number 21. It's saying the diagram shows a section of the human brain. The diagram shows a section of the human brain. Which part controls breathing rate and regulates blood pressure? Which part controls breathing rate and regulates blood pressure? Okay, so we have part A, B, C, and D. So what we are going to do for the sake of revision, we're first going to identify the parts A, B, C, and D. Then we are going to talk about the function of each part. Okay, so let's look at A. So A is the cerebrium. A is the cerebrium. A is the cerebrium. What is the function of the cerebrium? So the cerebrium determines levels of intelligence, thinking, imagination, memory, and judgment. A is the cerebrium. The function of the cerebrium, it is to determine levels of intelligence, thinking, imagination, memory, and judgment. That is A. Then B is the pituitary gland. B is the pituitary gland. B is the pituitary gland. What is the function of the pituitary gland? The pituitary gland stimulates other glands to produce their respective hormones. The pituitary gland stimulates other glands to produce their respective hormones. No wonder the pituitary gland is also called the master gland. B is the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is also called the master gland. The reason why the pituitary gland is called the master gland is because it stimulates other glands to produce their respective hormones. Okay, then the other function of B, which is the pituitary gland, the pituitary gland, it also produces hormones such as the antidiuretic hormone. It also produces luteinizing hormone. It produces the growth hormone. It also produces the adrenocorticotropic hormone. So the pituitary gland, which is B, has got two major functions. One, it stimulates other glands to produce their respective hormone. Then the other function of the pituitary gland, it produces hormones such as luteinizing hormone and antidiuretic hormone, growth hormone, and the adrenocorticotropic hormone. So that is B, which is the pituitary gland. Then let's look at C. C is the medulla oblongata. C is the medulla oblongata. So what is the function of the medulla oblongata? The medulla oblongata controls the unconscious body action such as swallowing, salivation, vomiting, sneezing, coughing, heart rate, respiration rate, breathing rate, and also regulates blood pressure. Okay, that is our C. So we're saying C is the medulla oblongata. Now the function of the medulla oblongata, it is to control the unconscious body actions such as swallowing, salivation, vomiting, sneezing, coughing, heart rate, respiration rate, breathing rate, and it also regulates the blood pressure. Okay, so our answer in this case is what? C.